Hello everyone, and welcome to the Engaging Website Design Series. This is Yu-Kai Chow, Gamification Pioneer International Speaker. We're going to talk about how to build a community in your website. A lot of organizations these days are optimizing for Core Drive 5, social influence and relatedness in discovery. So they're always trying to get people to share with their friends, and that has a certain amount of power, but it has to be optimized. Just because you have the functionality for people to message each other, see each other, doesn't mean there's a real community. Community is about collaboration, it's about caring about each other. There's a lot of emotional value in it, and we want to learn about how to build a good community. There are two types of communities to build in a website. One, you want people on your site to build a community together, to interact with each other and build companionship. And the other is the website owner interacting with the community. And those can separately be optimized. The best way to get a community going on your website, and it's a lot harder because it's not a forum, it's your website, is to allow people to see who else is contributing a lot, right? If they're inputting things, they're commenting, they're liking things, and they all get documented in a place that who's the veteran, who has a lot more experience, people start recognizing each other and start talking to each other. The great thing about Captain Up's platform is that it allows you to see who are your most active users, who has spent the most time on your site, and allows you to reach out to them. And since they've been following your work for a long time or your website for a long time, when you reach out, they're like, whoa, this is cool. And so you start building that tribe among your followers and your audience members. All right, let's look at how we can use a platform like Captain Up to add a sense of community into your website. All right, usually on a blog, let's say, the way to kind of build a community is to have your little comment sections. And people do talk, and they get to know each other more once they're having conversations. But again, it's not a forum. It's really hard to have full conversations and get to know each other a lot more. And of course, as I described in a previous video, I make sure that commenting is highly, highly valued upon. See, there are so many other things you can do, but commenting on a blog post is 100 points. And so I tell my users that, hey, you should really comment, participate, and that's what I really value. And that's how you play this game on my site. But beyond that, the users can look at the community and they can start seeing who are the best participants on the site. So they can look at, these guys who are performing well this month. You can look at all time. These are all like pretty known people now on my website, and so they can get to build relationships, and they see their names and they talk on. And so when they talk to each other on the Facebook group or on my blogs, they actually recognize each other, and then creates a stronger sense of community. Beyond that, the cool thing about Captain Up is it allows me, the site owner, to reach out to my users and communicate to them, so they do feel like they're part of the community even more so. So if you look at my users, Chin, right? Amazing guy, super hardcore, learning a lot of gamification, and so I can see what he's up to. But what I can also do is I can reach out to this person. I can say manage user, message. I can obviously give him points or reduce him points. Manage users. Hey Achint, so awesome to see you back on my site. I know I haven't been adding a lot of new things lately, but I'm spending a lot more time with Captain Up these days. There will be more badges to earn. Good luck. See, and the whole point is that when you message these people, brings them back, and obviously they know who you are because they've been on your site so much. You're their highest point earners, and so it really makes them feel like, hey, I'm part of something. Yu-Kai Chow really cares, and so we can start really talking to each other. Hey Ryan, haven't seen you for a while. What have you been up to? Are you using your newfound Octalysis knowledge these days? So yeah, before a site owner has no idea who your users are, and even if you can see analytics, you can't reach out to them easily, and Captain Up lays that out for you. So highly recommend it. Now that we've seen examples of how to build a community on your website through Captain Up, hopefully you guys will be able to connect your audience together and connect to your audience as a site community manager also. This is Yu-Kai Chao, and I will see you guys next time.